Presenting ALFA 3, a technologically enlightened producer of high-quality metal furniture. Showcasing timeless design, you'll find our furniture products in manufacturing companies, workshops, service stations, schools, sports clubs, locker rooms, and offices throughout Europe. Our furniture starts out on the computer screens of our creators and developers. The approved design then goes to the ERP system and the programming of the production lines. Robotic fabrication communicates with the ERP system back and forth. The continuous data flow thus gives us all the information needed to manage every phase of manufacture in real time on the Prima Power production line. Our workplaces are all fortified with terminals showing what's happening at any given point. They control online collection and monitoring of data about activities being performed. The constant flow and collection of data from the production line results in a significant acceleration of production, increased output, and quality of work. Always on the lookout for opportunities to innovate our products and processes, our aim is to guarantee superior reliability, quality, and modern design of our products. This high degree of automation enables us to produce not only serial products, but also modified and special order products. We see the bright future of our business in the field of smart storage solutions, with electronic locking systems, connection to company information and payment systems, and ergonomic workplaces that will support flexible production systems. ALFA 3, bringing quality, innovation, and design to the world of metal furniture.